Egide Godfried Guffens was born July 22, 1823, died July 11, 1901. He was a Belgian painter. He is best known for his monumental religious and historical murals. When he was only 15, he was admitted to the Royal Academy of Fine Arts where he studied under Nicaise de Keyser. He later took a trip to Italy to see the works of Michelangelo and Raphael. While there, he met Johann Friedrich Overbeck, a member of the Nazarene movement, who had a decisive influence on his style. This prompted him to visit Germany and study the new types of mural painting that were developing there.